Now fourth question is the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of article. So what is given here? The cost price is given. One more thing is given, that 450 rupees. This 450 rupees which is given here, these are overhead charges. There was one example like this. When overhead charges are given, we add that in the cost price. Okay. So the cost price of article will not be written as 15,500. It will become 15,500 plus 450 rupees. Okay, the overhead charges are always added in the cost price. So this will become, after addition, rupees 15,950. The cost price of article is 15,950 rupees now. 15% profit is getting, means profit percent is given here. This is 15%. Profit percent is 15%, and now selling price of article. The same formula, 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. Put the values in the formula. 100 plus 15 upon 100 multiplied by CP, and that CP is 15,950. It will become 115 upon 100 multiplied by 15,950. 10 will be cancelled here, and after solving this you will get 18,342.50 rupees. 18,342.50 rupees. This is the answer. The CP is given. Add the overhead charges in the cost price. Profit percent is given in the question. Just simply apply the formula to find out the selling price, and you will get your answer. Now fifth question is, a VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. That means the cost price of VCR is 8,000 and the cost price of TV is also 8,000. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR. That means when he sold VCR, he gets a loss. He got a loss of 4%, and a profit of 8% on the TV. Means when he sold TV, he got a profit of 8%. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. So let's start with the VCR. The cost price of VCR is equals to, what is the cost price of VCR? It is given 8,000 rupees. Rupees 8,000. This is the cost price of VCR, and after selling VCR, the shopkeeper gets a loss of 4%. So here loss percent is given, that means it is 4. We have to find out the selling price of VCR, and the formula is 100 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. The same formula you are doing in all the questions. It is equals to 100 minus loss percent, and the loss percent is 4. That means it will become 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4 is 96 upon 100, and the value of CP is 8,000. 2 zeros cancelled, and 96 multiplied by 80, it will be 7,680 rupees. This is the selling price of VCR. In the same way, we will find out the selling price of TV now. So cost price of TV, it is same 8,000 rupees, and profit percent on this, profit percent is 8, and then selling price of TV, formula will be 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. Every time when you apply any formula in this type of question, formula should be mentioned. Okay. It is equals to 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8 means 108 upon 100 and multiply by CP means 8000. Two zeros cancelled and multiply 108 with 80. You will get rupees 8640. So this is how you have to find out the selling price of VCR and the selling price of TV. Question is find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. It means you need to add the cost price of TV and VCR, you will get the total cost price. After that you have to add the selling price of TV and VCR, you will get the total selling price, and then you can check that whether selling price is greater or cost price is greater, and that will give you profit or loss. Let's find out now. Let's find out the total cost price. Total cost price is equals to 8000 plus 8000. Rupees 8000 plus 8000 equals to 8000 plus 8000. This is equals to 16,000. So 16,000 rupees is the total cost price. And let's find out total selling price. Selling price of VCR is rupees 7,680 and selling price of TV is rupees 8,640. And after addition, yes, add these two selling prices, you will get 16,320 rupees. The sum of both the selling prices is 16,320. The sum of both the cost prices is 16,000 rupees. What is greater now? CP or SP? Clearly SP is greater than CP. Write down SP is greater than CP. That means this is a case of profit. When selling price is greater, then it is case of profit. So SP minus CP will be the formula. SP is 16,320, CP is 16,000, and the subtraction will be equals to, the difference is equals to 320. This 320 is the profit, but we need to find out profit percent also. Let's find out profit percent. So profit percent is equals to profit upon CP multiplied by 100. Profit is 320. CP means the total CP, and total CP is 16,000 multiplied by 100. Two zeros cancelled, then this zero cancelled, and 16 twos are 32. So there is a profit of 2% on the whole transaction. What we have done here, firstly find out the selling price of VCR, then find the selling price of TV, and then add both the cost prices, add both the selling prices, and then compare them to check whether it's a profit case or loss case. So it was a case of profit, then find out the profit percent.